I bet you didn't know making a classic American salad could be this easy. Let's get started. Today, we're making a classic American salad in just minutes. First, grab some fresh iceberg lettuce and give it a good chop. Next up, let's add some color with juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and sweet red onions. Pro tip: throw in some shredded carrots for that extra crunch and color. Now for the fun part, toppings. Sprinkle on some cheddar cheese, crispy bacon bits, and crunchy croutons. And don't forget a hard-boiled egg for that perfect touch of protein. Time for the grand finale, dressing. A creamy ranch or a tangy vinaigrette, the choice is yours. Toss everything together, and voila, you've got yourself a classic American salad that's perfect for any meal. So next time you're in need of a quick and delicious dish, remember this recipe. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty tips and recipes. Happy cooking, and there you have it, a delightful salad that's both nutritious and delicious.